If you want to sort photos in Lightroom fast, the easiest place to do it is in Lightroom Desktop, also known as the cloud version. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to organize your library using sort order, ratings, flags, filters, search, and albums. By the end, you'll know how to find the best shots faster and keep your photo library much more organized. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and easy editing guides. Let's start with the fastest method, changing the sort order. First, go into Grid View by pressing G on your keyboard. Grid View is where Lightroom gives you the best overview of all your photos at once. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Sort icon, which usually looks like two arrows. Click that icon and you'll see a list of sorting options. You can sort photos by capture date, import date, modified date, file name, or star rating. This is really useful when you want to find your newest uploads, compare edited photos, or organize a shoot in order. If you want the newest photos first, choose a date-based sort and switch the direction to descending. If you want everything from oldest to newest, switch it to ascending. Just click the arrow beside the sort option to toggle between the two. Now let's talk about rating and flagging, because this is one of the best ways to sort your photos when you're culling a shoot. Culling simply means separating the good photos from the bad ones. In Lightroom, you can do this with flags and stars. Press Z to mark a photo as a pick with a white flag. Press X to mark it as a reject with a black flag. This makes it much easier to separate your winners from the photos you don't want to keep. You can also use star ratings to rank your images more carefully. Just press numbers 1 through 5 on your keyboard to assign a rating. A 1-star photo might be a maybe, while a 5-star photo might be your absolute best image. This is especially helpful if you shoot a lot of similar photos and want to narrow them down quickly. Once your photos are rated or flagged, you can filter them. Click the filter icon at the top, which looks like a funnel. Then choose to show only photos with a certain star rating or flag status. This lets you view only your best images, only your picks, or only your rejects. It saves a lot of time when you're trying to clean up a large library. Next is advanced filtering using the search bar. Lightroom Desktop has smart AI search powered by Adobe Sensei, which means it can help you find photos by content. Click the search bar at the top and type a word like mountain, dog, beach, or blue. Lightroom will show matching photos based on what's inside the image, even if you never added keywords yourself. This is amazing for finding specific shots in a large collection very quickly. If you want even better organization, use albums. Albums are a great way to group photos by trip, event, client, or project. For example, you could make albums for wedding photos, travel shoots, or social media content. That way, even if your full library is huge, your best photos stay easy to find. Combining albums with ratings, flags, and search gives you a very powerful workflow. So to quickly sort photos in Lightroom, remember the main steps. Use Grid View, change the sort order, rate and flag your images, filter the results, and use the search bar or albums to stay organized. Once you get used to these tools, sorting your photos becomes much faster and much easier. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.